Hallelujah. We're now coming to a museum. It's the fifth. We're waiting for this. Rated the best museum in the country. It looks pretty awesome. And it's free on the 5th and on the 3rd Sunday because of whoever sponsors it, which is 53 or something, 53rd Bank or something like that. That's what it's called. We're coming into the entrance. You know where it's at. And see now it's 10 to 5. It should be open. And it's not. Monday to Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. Wednesday to Sunday, 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Well, at least we know, but still. What is today? Today is Tuesday. Wow, the 5th landed on a Tuesday. This is where I'm trying to go. You know? National Underground Railroad Freedom Center. There's a museum in the country. And so far, well, I guess I gotta go get my check then. And eat something. Hallelujah. Not today. Not today.